Welcome to the introductory content of Krita.org and Krita-artists.org. In this introduction, we will talk about the organization and artist community pages of Krita, which we highly recommend you to check out. When you type Krita from your browser and any search engine, you can reach Krita's organizational page. Type the name of the software in the search field. The organization webpage, Krita.org, will appear in the first positions. You can also see this link address on the Wiki webpage. Before we talk about the Wiki information and general features of the program, let's go back to the Krita.org site. Now, we would like to share with you some very important detailed information about the Krita.org website. Krita is an amazing open-source, completely free, industry-standard software that can fulfill many needs and requirements of a beginner or professional artist. No trial period, no subscription, no limits to your creativity. Krita software is extremely user-friendly with an industry-standard, very clean and flexible interface that you can customize as you wish. An intuitive user interface that makes it easy for you to work and learn. Panels can be moved and customized according to your workflow. Once you have set up your layout, you can save it as your own defined workspace. You can also create custom shortcuts for frequently used tools. Numerous professionally built drawing design tools and brush packs. In short, Krita has all the tools and resources you need. Turn Krita into an animation studio by moving into the animation workspace with lean and powerful 2D animation tools and flexible and serial interfaces that you can change according to your preferences. If you wish, you can contribute to the development of open-source software in many different ways, and you can find detailed information on the Krita.org website. You can also access the Krita Guide on the Krita.org website and get much more detailed documentation and usage information. You can also check out the article about Krita's 25th anniversary and its development process. The About section provides a brief background and history of the software in detail. I would also like to tell you about resources and materials. Extend Krita's capabilities with tools and assets available for download online. You can also add brushes, patterns, and plugins that offer new functionality with vector libraries, texture packs, and page templates. And it's not over, because Krita has one of the most beautiful art communities in the world. It's such a rich and extremely generous, wonderful community, where you can find the content, tools, resources, and information that's right for you, whether you're a beginner or a professional artist. To access the community, we strongly encourage you to visit Krita-artists.org, the website of Krita's artist community. A supportive community, in every sense of the word. The Krita community is home to contributors and artists from all over the world. The community is a great online environment where professional artists and many other members of the community can share their work, tips they know, and more. Share your drawing and get feedback to improve it. You can review and rate other artists' work and get inspiration for your creative process. You can give feedback to the developers about new features and add-ons. There are some great external brush packs, texture tutorials, and other Krita resources shared here for free, and you are free to use or share most of them. External brush, pen and design tools, packs or plugins, and all other public resources can be found in Krita's artist community and can be downloaded and used. Krita software is one of the most valuable and successful layers in the paradise of free and open-source software in digital design. We plan to release a series of tutorials on our channel that will cover all this and more in detail. Let's keep exploring Krita software together and unleash our creativity. We will continue this series with much more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon.